Employee security awareness training is essential for protecting your businesses from cyber attacks. Take note. Every business is unique, and by educating your employees about security risks and good practices, you can help to reduce your risk of being hacked. Let's look at 5 tips for creating the most effective employee security awareness training. Step 1. Make it engaging. Your training should be interactive and engaging. Use real-world examples to illustrate your points and provide opportunities for employees to practice what they've learned. We use a combination of computer-based training, in-person sessions, and reminders around the office throughout the year. Step 2. Make it relevant. Remember to tailor your training to the specific needs of your business. Consider the types of cyber attacks that are most likely to affect you and focus on those risks in your training. Step 3. Make it memorable. Use humor, storytelling, whiteboarding, and other creative techniques to help your employees remember what they've learned. We add quizzes to our training videos to make sure employees can apply what they've learned. Step 4. Make it actionable. Provide employees with clear and actionable steps they can take to improve their security. Every employee will receive phishing emails, social engineering scams, or fake phone calls through the year, and they need to know how to respond. Make sure employees know how to report cyber incidents easily. Step 5. Make it ongoing. Security awareness training should be an ongoing process. Regularly reinforce key concepts and provide updates on new threats. Our training modules are drip-fed over a year to ensure that employees get effective training often. Here are a few additional tips. Try using a variety of training methods, such as online courses, videos, and in-person workshops. Provide incentives for employees to complete training. Track your training results to measure the effectiveness of your program. By following these tips, you can create an effective employee security awareness training program that will help to protect your organization from cyber attacks. I'll link additional resources that will help you get your program started.